Hi guys.
Hi,
Hi, how are you all?
I'm good.
Who is this random? Oh, Harna. Okay, Harna. Okay. How are you all? How is the homework, guys? Exponents. Was it okay? Doable? How was it?
It was
Hey,
pretty
Vihan,
good.
it was nice to see your homework, Vihan.
Yeah.
Was it easy or hard? Are you enjoying reading the comic books?
Yeah.
Okay, did you go through?
Yeah. I went through the exponents chapter.
Vihan, you should read Percy Jackson.
Yeah.
Was it easy going over it, Amma?
Yeah.
Not really.
Not really. What was
I
difficult?
had some questions, but I put it in the test.
You put it in the
Test. Like wherever. So let's say there's this question. I and yeah. And I like I put I forgot how to do that. Can you explain it again or like something like that?
Sure, but I didn't see. You put it in the tester.
Oh yeah, I answered it a little bit late because I forgot that there was homework.
Okay, I might not have seen then. Okay, because I thought I went over your all your homework as well. Abhiram, did you do your homework, ma?
I think so. Yeah, it was the test, right?
No, it was a test. Plus, additionally, there were some pages in the book, right?
Oh, I didn't see those.
have the
Guys,
beast
Lakshanya,
book.
did you do, ma?
I think sorry, it's Mira's dad. I think the due date for the other homework was October 1st. I saw only the test.
Maybe I gave it late. Okay. See, okay. Okay, I didn't see. Okay. Due date, I didn't see. I'm sorry. Okay, so the test was done. With respect to the test, I have my own challenges in releasing the results because it was timed. The extension did not save any of your emails. I discovered it in one of the other classes where I conducted a similar test, but let me see, guys. Give me 1 minute. Okay. The problem with the test is I have not released the scores, I know, but hey, Vihan, did you go over the test, Vihan?
No, I didn't.
You didn't. Okay. Okay, that's okay. Okay, let's see. So we did, okay. Then what we'll do is we'll continue the exponent. See, the thing is, give me a minute then. I wanted to go over the test and I did forget to go over the test. It was my bad. Oh my God. I just want to see the test, what you guys did now. Just 1 second. It'll be very quick. Hey, Meera, did you do the test, ma?
Yeah.
How was it, ma?
It was okay.
It was okay. Okay, many of you have taken the test. I do see it. Okay. But let. Oh my God, by name, I have to give it to you. That is really bad. Yeah, by. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. It did collect. Oh, wow. It did collect the. Oh, that's nice. It did collect the email in your case. But in the other class, it didn't collect the email at all. But I need to go over this manually. Okay, I can't release the. I think for a couple of you, I released the scores, right, guys? Abhiram, for you, I released the scores, right, Abhiram?
Yeah.
I didn't get the scores.
No. There were only two who took it very early. For both of them, I released. Other than that, I have not given anybody's. That's okay. Okay. I'll go over it later, Ma. I think I have gotten your emails as well. So it's good. Okay. Let's move on.
Hi, Miss Priya.
Hi, how are you, Neil?
I'm good.
Good.
Miss Priya, can we do a game kit today?
Yeah,
You know what? Hey, you know what? I assigned the Gimkit as homework
Yeah, can we
5
do it?
minutes back before you came. I added Neil's question as well. Neil had written down some questions, gave it to me. So I added some questions and then refined it and made the Gimkit with 29 questions. Okay? Instead of taking class time, you can do it afterwards. Okay?
But
I have a question. So last time you did we got the game kit and last only gave us like the questions. It didn't really get to the game. And when I answered the questions, and even though it said I got them right, it keep giving me the same exact questions again and again and again.
I practically
So there's like questions, but there's like 100 questions.
True, Ma. This time I've set a goal of if you get 25 questions correct, the Gimkit will get over out of the 29.
Oh, that's short.
It's okay if you get 25 out of a 29 mental math, right?
Speaking of Gimkit, I just made it. I
You're
just
not going
finished.
to use papers and pen when you do the Gimkit.
Speaking of Gimkit, I just finished a Gimkit.
I
just made a Gimkit kit.
Which one?
I was doing a math kit hours ago. A math kit.
Okay, guys, I assigned a new one 20 minutes back. Okay, did you do that?
No.
Okay, I'm glad because I assigned it only 20 minutes back. Okay. Okay, so let's move on. Lakshanya says something. I don't know. Hi, Lakshanya. Okay, let's move on.
I'm a pig.
Amhit is not on video. Vihan is not on video. You have what?
I'm a pig.
Let's please move on. No joking here. Okay, let's please move on. I don't see some of you on the videos. I really want you to be on the videos for sure. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Okay, let's move. You're seeing my screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Vihan, with respect to your homework, right? It would be Arnav, we are not going to play in here, Arnav. I'm so sorry to ask you to come back to the class. Okay. So now in the homework, right? Vihan, I would like to see your workout as well. Okay. The major issue I saw was what is this, guys? 2 power of 5 times 2 power of 6 times 2 is what, guys? 2 power of what? Let me ask Vihan to answer. Vihan, what should come in the box? What should come in the box, Vihan?
2 power of 12.
Ah, good. Now you're answering it correctly. In every problem, you had missed this one if the one was not given. You see, that was the only thing I found. Okay. Okay. And are you checking it with the answer key at the back?
Oh.
Yeah, the answers are exactly at the back. You can check and let me know. Hey, auntie, this is, I don't get it. Like that, you can bring in questions. You got it? Yep. And I really want you to check once, then come to class. Got it? Okay, guys.
Okay.
Let's go ahead with this. Okay. 5 power of 4 is what number squared? Send in chat. 5 power of 4 is what number squared?
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma?
is my answer correct?
Just looking at what is the next problem view. Hold on, I'm checking. Oh, Neil, good job. Abhi, good job. Lakshanya. Samhit, check your answer. Samhit, did you do your homework?
I didn't have the book.
Don't mind that message I sent.
Can you ask your mom to ping me Samhit?
Okay.
Can you ask your mom to ping me? What is going on? Then you should have reported to your mom and your mom should have gotten back to me, right? I am thinking you're buying it. How will I know? So can you ask your mom to ping me about it? Okay. Oh, wow. Interesting. Akshara, how about you? Okay, good. Arna, why did you think it was a 10, ma?
Because 5 power of 4 and because 5 plus 5 equals 10 and that is double and so 4 minus 2
There is no
equals
addition.
2 so
5 power of 4 is 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. Right? Now, two numbers together. If I make it 25 times 25, I can write it out as 25 square. Right, Arnav?
oh
Samhit, did you understand that?
Yeah.
Did you understand that? Now, can I ask you to express 9 cube as a power of 3? 3 power of what? What is the question mark? I did not get answers from everybody. That's okay. Now I expect answer from every single person. Let me see. Because that one, or I can go over one more. Let's see. Lakshmi, I saw your answer, ma. Guys, so see here, guys. 9 power of 3 is what? Vihan, are you following 9 times 9 times 9, right?
yeah
Now, this can be written as 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, right? What is 3 power what? 3 power of 6. Make sense?
yeah
Yeah.
Okay, how about this? 12 cube. I don't want to say 12 cube. Let me see this one. Write out 16 cube as a power of 2 power what? It's a hard one, right, guys? It's definitely a hard one. See, think about 16 constitutes of how many 2's? This is 16 times 16 times 16. 16 is 2 power of 4 times 2 power of 4 times 2 power of 4. So what happens? Vihan, can you answer this one for me?
you add the 4 plus 4 plus 4
So what should be the answer, you think?
2 to the power of 12
2 to the power of 12. Good job. Nice. How about this? If I ask you, okay. If I ask you, hey, 14 square, I put a square in here, 7 cube. Should be this, or should be this? I will ask how you found out. Okay, if you answer that, then I'll ask you how you found out. Interesting question though, right? Lakshanya, how did you find out, ma? Akshara, I'm waiting for your answer. Arnav, how did you say they're equal? Okay, Abhiram, I'm waiting for your answer. Ritu, very good job. I'm going to ask you, how did you do it? What is that, Neil? If you say 7 cube, what does that mean? I'm asking what sign should go there, right?
yeah
Yeah. Akshara, good job, ma.
Can you like number them like 1, 2, and 3 so we can just write down the number?
wait never mind
No, you can just
never mind,
put
I
the
know.
greater than, less than, equal to sign, right, ma?
Oh
What
The-
happened, Meera? Where is your answer? Let me ask Lakshanya, why did you say greater than? Can you explain? Neil, what is your answer?
I sent my answer.
You sent your answer, Samhit. Okay. Vihan and Lakshanya, I want you to explain. Good job, Neil. Vihan and Lakshanya. Good job, Samhit.
Can I explain too?
I would like to have Vihan or Lakshanya. Can you explain how you said your answer?
Never mind. It is wait.
Jyoti, I'll come back to you later.
Miss Priya,
Hmm.
do I type it in chat or say it out loud?
Okay, say it out loud, Abhiram.
So 14 times 14 equals 196.
That's not how we do. I don't want you to compute what is 14 times 14. Without computing 14 times 14, you can predict this, because if numbers are big, you cannot keep multiplying, right? It's going to take a lot of time, right, Abhiram?
Yeah.
So what is the other way? Neil, I did not get your answer either. Lakshanya, please go ahead, explain. I've been waiting and you're not answering.
People keep interrupting.
Huh?
People keep interrupting.
Go ahead.
20 square is converted into 7 to the power 4.
No. 14 square is not 7 to the power of 4. 14 is 7 times 2, right? That to the power of 2. Power of 2 is already there, but 14 alone, you're writing it out as 7 times 2. So this becomes 7 square times 2 square. This is 7 square times 2 square, right? That's where the problem, Vihan, as well. So this side becomes 7 square times 2 square. This side is 7 cube. So 7 square, both are same. So let me cross this out. This will, we will just have a 7. So which is bigger? 2 power of 2 or 7 is bigger?
7.
Yep.
7. That's what I meant.
I
Okay.
have another way to estimate it a little.
That's Seema, I don't want you to compute anything.
Not for like computing, but this like a other way you can try it, because sometimes it works. So when the exponent is greater than the other exponent and the whole number is lesser, it might work out a little sometimes.
But for you to be very clear, right, Yuvati, you have to compare 4 and the 7. 7 is greater, so the right side was greater. How about this? 15 power 3 and 5 power 5. Neil, I'm not getting your answers. I definitely need to get your answers.
I already said
I'm sorry. Not Neil. Nevan. I'm sorry. Because his brother is Neil, I get confused. I'm sorry, Neil.
At least solve this
Go ahead.
one. She
Go ahead.
showed multiple examples to you.
Go ahead. 15 power 3 and 5 power 5. Okay, go ahead, guys. You did?
Is my answer correct?
Did you answer for this? దీనికి ఆన్సర్ చేసావా I'm so confused now. Hold on. You were Oh, that's a good question. It's a teeny tiny bit difficult. You have to expand the base. Expand the base into their prime factors.
Did I get me correct?
Ritu, good job, ma. Ritu, I really want you to explain because you got the last answer as well correct. So, Lakshanya, if you give it to me like this, how will I know? I really want the sign, right, ma? Abhiram.
I just sent my answer.
You changed. How did you change?
Okay, that was for the old question.
That was for the old one. I see. Okay, I got it. Arnav, no. Neil. That seems correct, Neil. Akshara. Akshara, how did you go ahead, ma? Meera, how did you go ahead? Akshara, go ahead and explain first.
At first,
Nevan, I need your answer, Nevan. Go ahead.
I wrote down 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, and then 15 times 15 times 15. And
Ma,
then
wait. I'm writing for you. 15 times 15. Good job. Then what did you do?
I broke 15 into 5 times 3.
Mm-hmm.
And then I counted how many 3s were there. So there's 3 3s. So
Let's not worry about the 3s. 3 is not common to both. Which is common to both?
5.
Yeah. So take away 3 5s this side. It's like a pan balance, right? Take away this 3 5s. Then what happens?
It's 5 to the power of 3.
What, ma?
5 to the power of 3.
Which is 5 to the power of 3? This is 3 times 3 times 3. Oh, okay. 5 to the power of 3 and then?
5 to the power of 3 is less than 5 to the power of 5. So the answer would be 5 to the
Not really, right? You have, see, this is basically 5 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 3. Where did the 3 power of 3 go? Meera has something to say. What is that, ma? Abhi has something.
Explain it.
Yes, you can. You can in your own way. Hold
I
on.
don't
Abhi, what was that
understand.
you wanted to say, Abhi?
I just wanted to explain it.
Okay, both of you can do
I don't
once.
understand.
See, 5 power of 3 and 3 power of 3. There are 3 5s and 3 3s. So it's written as 5 power of 3, 3 power of 3. This one is 5 power of 3, 5 square. Here this is common, so leave that. 3 power of 3 is 27, 5 square is 25. So this is greater. Now I would like Abhiram to explain once, Meera to explain once. That way we all are on the same page couple many times. Go ahead. Abhiram, first go ahead.
I'm gonna say the same thing.
But I want you to explain once more in your own words.
Okay, so first you put 15. So 5 times 3 equals 15. So, and it's to the power of 3. So then, since it's 5 to the power of 5, what you would put 5 to the power of 3 somewhere, and then put 3 to the power of 3 in another place. And then 5 to the power of 5 minus 5 to the power of 3 equals 5 to the power of 2, which means 25. Then 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. And so that's greater than 25.
Good job. Meera, how did you go ahead, ma?
So first, so 15 cube is equal to 15 times 15 times 15. And 5 to the power of 5 is equal to 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. So I split up the 15 into 5 times 3. And then I wrote down like the things I split down in an equation, like 5 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 3.
This is 5 to the power of 5. So what happened?
So then I found that 5 to the power of 3 is common between both of them. So I just left the 5 to the power of 3, and then I knew that 3 to the power of 3 was bigger than 5 to the power of 2. So
good job. So this side was bigger. Nice. Yes, Neil, what did you want to say, Neil? I see your
Just
hand.
after you said my answer is wrong, but I thought it was right. I just used that standard algorithm because I knew something about squares. Since I knew what 5 to the power of 4 was, I used the standard algorithm with 5 times 6 to 5, and then I got 3125. And then when I did 15 times 225.
I really appreciate you and Abhiram doing it at first. But when you think about it, I asked you not to compute the answers. Remember? Do not compute answers. Without computing the answers, you should be able to say. Do you see it? Computing answers takes a lot of time as well. Did that make sense to Abhiram and Neil?
Yeah.
Yeah, Abhiram, you got the hang of it in the second problem, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Let's see this one. Okay. Let's say, guys, if it is Vihan, did you get this? Did you understand that? Vihan.
Sorry, yeah.
Okay, let's see. Let's see. I'm going to give you more problems. Like 20 square, how will you prime factorize this? 20, what are the prime factors? Who can tell me the prime factors of 20? Yes, Neil, go ahead. Lakshmi also raises her hand.
It's like all the factors of 10 that are lower, like 1 to 5.
True. No. Prime factors of 20 I asked you. I did not ask for the factors. If I asked for the factors, then you should put 120 and go between the numbers. Then 2, 10. Then between the numbers 2 and 10, you'll go. Then 4, 5. This is how you write the factors. But I'm asking for prime factors. You'll draw the tree. Go ahead. How will you write it? 2 times 10, 2 times 5. So how will you draw the, what are the prime factors?
The prime factors are 2 times 2, 5, and 2.
2 times?
2 times 5.
2 times 5. This can be written as, now that you know, right, how to write it in exponents. 2 square times 5. This is 5 power of 1. Any questions here? Okay. The writing in powers is new to you all, I know. How about 40 power 3? How do you write it in prime factors? 40, you know how to find the prime factors now. That we have covered, right? So what are the prime factors? Nevan, what are the prime factors now of 40?
40. There's 1, 2.
There is no one. One is neither prime nor composite. One does not belong to the set of prime numbers nor to the set of composite numbers.
How?
So I'll come back to you. Wait, Ritu.
So, there's
Akshara, I'll
2,
come back.
5,
Mm-hmm.
10.
10 is not a prime factor. How will you write out 10? 10 is not a prime factor. I have given you all the factors. All the prime factors I have given you. You're just going to read it out, Nevan.
Okay, so there are only 2 and 5. So,
Is your mom in town, Nevan?
no. She
She's
went to a
traveling?
party. She went to a party.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
So 20.
20 is not a prime number. Can I ask help from Akshara? Akshara, go ahead, ma.
2 times 5 times 2 times 2.
Good job. So, Samhit, how do we write the exponents here?
2 to the power of 3 times 5.
Good job. 5 means 5 to the power of 1. Very nice, guys. Okay, very, very nice. Okay. Okay, now let's see. Let's move on a little bit.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma, go ahead.
can I explain why 1 is not a prime or a composite?
Yeah, go ahead.
So so one wouldn't be a composite because if it's composite, it has to be multiplied by another number. So if we go on to that and do 0 times 0 would not make 1, it would be 0. So 1, and then if we do prime, it has to be multiplied by only 1. It can
Correct.
be multiplied by 1 in itself.
Yeah, so one does not have any other
if-
number, so one is neither prime nor
Because
composite.
if we do
Good
1
addition.
times 1, that would be 1. So it's like 2 ones. And that would, so 1 is the 1. It's supposed to be multiplied itself. So it's neither prime or composite.
Good job.
Wait, how
So
is
let's-
it not?
Ma, 1 is not prime nor composite, ma. Prime numbers will have the number itself and 1 as the prime factor. Since 1 is itself the number, 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay, 1 should not be taken as a prime number, should not be taken as a composite number. Make sense? Okay.
Yeah,
It's more
and
of a prime number.
What is it?
It's more of a prime number.
Or now, it should not be taken as either prime or composite. Okay, can we move on now?
Yeah.
no,
How do you, what is it?
just anyways, but 1 does have some stuff different. Yeah,
one does
If we multiply some decimals, it might get us to 1. But
Agree.
it's
Here.
not asking us for decimals. It's
Okay.
for the prime
For now.
factorization has to be a whole number.
Agree. For now, we are not going to come to our class now. Okay. 1 is not considered as prime nor composite. Does that sound good, Neil?
yeah, but it's a square and a cube.
That I agree. Okay. Now, how to compute 4 cube times 5 power of 2, 5 power of 3. I don't want 5 power of, yeah. 4 cube times 5 cube. How do you compute this? You know what? In mathematics, 5 and 2 are very good friends. Okay. Whenever you have 5 and 2, they make up tens and hundreds. You see, these tens and hundreds are super friends, super helpful in mathematics. This, when you think about the 4 and the 5, right? I can write this out as 2 power what, ma? 2 power what is 4 cube?
2 power
2
6.
power 6.
2 power 6.
2 power of 6 is 4 cube. How is that? 4 cube is written as 2 times 2. 4 is written as 2 times 2, then cube. So what happens here? 2 cube, the cube is applied to both. 2 cube times 2 cube is 2 power of 6. 2 power of 6 times 5 cube. See, now I said right, one pair of 5 and 2 are friends. So can I separate this out into 2 power of 3 times 2 power of 3 times 5 cube? See, these two are very good friends. What is the answer to this? 2 cube times 5 cube. Who can tell me? Who can tell me what is the answer to 2 cube times 5 cube? Quick. Yes, Yuvati.
So for 2 cube.
What is the answer? Yeah, 2 cube times 5 cube. You have to be very quick, ma.
So that would be 2 times 2 times 2. Which is
Okay, Yuvati.
8.
8 and then?
5 times 5 is 25 and 20. 5 times 5 is 75.
Okay, can I detour you? Can I detour you? Is it okay if I detour you? That's
Yeah.
not, see, instead of calculating 2 cube, who has another very quick way of doing it? Who has another very quick way? Arnav, you have something to say? Go.
3 times 2.
How can you do 3 times 2?
It'll only work for 2 cube. That's the only one. And some other maybe.
No, 2 times 3 doesn't work here.
All right, never
go
mind,
ahead,
never
Meera,
mind,
go ahead,
never mind,
Meera.
never mind. I know a quick
Meera,
way.
go ahead.
So what I did for 2 cube times 5 cube is I put 2 times 5 in parentheses and then put the cube outside of it, and 10 cube is equal to 1,000.
Yeah, so you can always see when the exponents are the same, right? You're multiplying, right? So you can just multiply the bases. When you multiply the bases, it becomes 10 cube. 5 times 2 combination gets you a 10. So 10 cube is very easy. 10 cube is what? 10. The 0 is repeated 3 times. That's all. 1000. So
It's like
2
easy.
is 8. 8
That's
times
exactly what
1000
I
is 8000. Now let's move on. How about this? How are you going to compute this? 6 cube times 5 cube. Who's going to help me with this? Or why don't you all send the answer to me so I'll understand who knew and who didn't. Can I see that?
Yeah. I'm just doing like the hash, like not the hashtag, but the diagonal line thing for the power.
What is that? Okay, let me listen to you. Let me check the answer and then listen to you, Yuti. Go ahead. Nirma, go ahead and send the answer to me.
I did.
Thank you. Good job. I'll come back to you, Yuti, for sure.
Yes, Priya.
Hey, good job, Meera. 1 minute, Amma. Neil, I'm waiting for your answer. Arnav, I'm waiting for your answer. Abhi, can you please check once? You're just being silly. Lakshanya, you're being too silly too, just like Abhiram. Can you check, guys? Samhit, yes, you can eat banana or whatever you want, okay, but please, let's please come to the class. Bihan, can you help me with this, Bihan?
I don't know the answer yet.
That does not matter. Can you help me split the 6? 6 is a composite number, right? Can you help me split it? How do you write 6?
3 and 3.
You're multiplying, not adding. You're going to multiply. What times what is it?
3 and 2.
Yeah, so you can split this. Don't consider the power now. 3 times 2. And then you put the power putting a parenthesis. Then that cube applies to both of the numbers. Times 5 cube. Now I can split them out and write 3 cube times 2 cube times 5 cube. I'm always a fan of 5 and 2, right? Abhiram and Lakshanya, you were too stingy not to put the required number of zeros. 5 times 2, right? It's a 10. But then 10 power 3, right? Meaning 5 power 2 is there. Okay. Now what can I do? 2 times 5 I can put, and then the cube I can put it outside the parenthesis. This is 10 cube, right? This 3 cube gets carried forward, right? Now what happens? 3 cube is 27 times 10 cube. 10 cube is what? See, 10 square is 100. This tells you how many zeros you have to put in. 10 cube is 1000. 10 power of 4 is 10,000. So here this is 1000. So answer is 27,000. Vihan, did you understand now?
Yeah.
Okay, now Abhiram and who else? Abhiram and Lakshanya, did you understand how many zeros?
For my answer, kind of wrote it in the power instead of like giving a whole number as an answer.
Okay. Neil got it. Good job. Arnav, what Arnav? Did you understand now?
No. So here's what I tried to do. I tried to do 6 times 6, which equals 6 times 3, which equals 18. And then
Arnav,
18.
okay, can I stop you here, Arnav? Did you do the homework, Arnav?
Which one?
Did you do the exponents homework?
Like the test?
No, not the test. Exponents homework.
No.
Okay, guys, from next week, if you're not going to do the homework or try the homework, I will not let you in the next class. Okay, you know what will happen? The class is being pulled down. Okay, some of you are not answering. You do not know what are exponents. We covered exponents last week in detail. Okay, but Now I'll go ahead and explain. But from next week, if you're not reviewing the homework, I'm not going to let you into the class. Make sense? Because see, people who have studied, we have to be justifiable and respect people who have done the homework properly and coming back to class as well. So it is so important to keep up with the homework. If you can't, if you don't have the time, or if you have some celebrations going on, I respect that. But at least do half of it and come back. I need to see it done.
Yeah.
Okay, you cannot be coming and asking what is an exponent in this class. Then that pulls down the entire class. There's nothing wrong, but it pulls down the entire class and we are not respecting the people who are doing it. Yes, ma. Ritu, go ahead.
I did my homework and I submitted it. The beast homework.
Oh, Ritu, I did not get to check yours, honestly, because I think you submitted after I graded, I
Wait
think.
a second. Is it in the beast book?
Yeah, ma.
Oh, I don't have the beast book.
But I thought you received it, right?
No.
You didn't receive it yet?
Yeah.
Ask your mom.
Yeah, I asked her yesterday.
Then maybe it is in your mailbox or you'll receive it. Okay, but see, then in that case, I don't know what to
The
do.
mailman didn't come today.
Yeah, but your mom, yeah, okay. Okay, let's get that out of our conversation now. I'll talk to your mom. But ask your mom to ping me. Okay.
Okay.
So now let's go ahead and I wanted to explain that to you are now. See here. 6 cube times 5 cube, right? 6 cube. This is the exponent, this is the base. 6 can be split as 3 times 2. 3 times 2, right? This cube applies to both, meaning 3 times 2 is 6. 6 is your base. So the cube applies to all of it. So it can be written as 3 cube times 2 cube times 5 cube. Now, when you look at it, 5 and 2 are my friends, I've told you. So here you can combine these two and put the cube, 10 cube, and then 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. What is 3 cube? 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27 times 10 cube is 10 times 10 times 10, which is 1,000. So that becomes 27,000. Does that make sense?
Now it does.
It does. Okay, good. Okay, let's move on. Now, okay.
I have a question.
Yes, ma'am.
Can we do those questions on the board you give us, and like for a few of them, everyone gets a different problem, and then we solve it on the board?
We'll definitely do it, ma'am. We'll definitely
Can we
do
do
it.
that in the end of the class before we leave?
What, ma'am?
Can we do it in the end of the class before we leave?
Sure. Okay. Pyramid doesn't puzzle. There is a puzzle in here given to you. You know, I give you a big number, 3 power 4. Okay. Now I'm going to give you a pyramid. Okay. This is a puzzle, okay? I'm giving you this. Whatever I have written on the board, I've given you that.
Okay.
Okay. Now, you know what is my intent? I've given you a big number in here. Okay. Now, pyramid descent means coming down. Descending order means coming down from top to bottom. Correct? Yuvati wanted all of you to do separate problems. So we'll go ahead and try working with that in this. Okay. So let's see. You have a pyramid in here. It looks like a pyramid, right? Pyramid descent. You're going to come from top to bottom. How are you going to come from top to bottom? You're going to connect numbers in such a way, you're going to connect row 1 should be connected to row 2. Row 2 should be connected to row 3. Row 3 should be connected to row 4. So you can come like this. When you think about it, you can come like this. Or you can come like this. Or you can come like this. Right, guys?
I have a question.
Go ahead.
Can I draw on the board until?
Let me finish. Can I finish this explanation? Now, when you come like that, right? When you come down, let's say this is way 1. Okay. Root 1. Now, 3 times, see here, this is 3 times 3 times 3 times 1. So what is it? 3 power of what?
3.
3.
3.
When I come via my root 2, what is it? 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 power of 3. 3, 3, 3, 3 power 3. What is this, Vihan? Can you tell me what is this? Vihan, go ahead and help us out, Vihan.
3 to the power of 6.
3 to the power of 6. Good job. Nevan, do you know what is this? When I come through the route 3, what is that, Vihan? I'm sorry, Nevan, route 3. 3 times, I will write it down for you. 3 times 3 times 3 square times 3. What is that, Nevan? 3 power of?
3 power of 3, then 3 squared.
What is that, ma? Yeah, so what? 3 power of? 3 power of 1, 3 power of 1, 3 power of 2, 3 power of 1. What is it?
3 power of 6, 3 power of 5.
5. Good job. Now, there are other ways of coming through this puzzle. 3, 1 can come through this. Meaning, see, when I'm connecting, right, I cannot go from this square to a not touching square. Meaning, I can go to 3, 1. And then I cannot go from here to here. That is incorrect. I have to go to only squares that are touching. Any questions? Now, I can come in this green route. 3, 1, 3 square, 3 cube. What is this 3, 1, 3 square, 3 cube? What does it amount to? When you multiply all of that, what is your answer, Lakshanya?
That your answer is
3 power of?
3, wait, the quadrant?
This one.
3 of 6.
Good. 3 power of 6. Now, let me go ahead and try one more way. Akshara, do you want to give it a try? Ritu, next you give it a try. 3, 1, 1, 3. What does it account for, ma? 3, 1, 1, 3. What is that, Akshara? 3 power of?
1.
3, 1, 1, 3. What is that? 3 power of? 3 times 1 times 1 times 3. What is it? 3 power of? Yeah, see, this is a 3 power of 1, 3 power of 1, right? 1 and 1 get added, so it is a 3 power of? Akshara, are you with me?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 3 square. Now the last one, Ritu, can you answer? 3, 1, 3, 1, 1, 3 power of 4. What is that, Ritu?
3 to the power of 5.
3 to the power of 5. So this is how you come through the pyramid. Okay, you descend through the pyramid. Okay, there can be many number of ways. However, there will be only one way. There will be only one exact way that will produce 3 power of 4. When I give you a pyramid, you can go through any route that you want. But there will be only one way that will give you 3 power of 4. Neil and Meera, what did you want to say? Go ahead.
I found out the route that leads you to 3 to the power of 4.
Or can I write it again for you guys? It's so confusing, right? Can I write it down and then you can tell me? Can I do that?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, it's really confusing here. So I really want it to be neat and everybody follows it and everybody can think out, then figure out, then we'll go back.
Okay.
So I'll just rewrite whatever. 3, 1, and then what? 3, 3 square 1. And then 1, 3 cube. 1, 3 cube, 3, 3 power of 4.
How do you remember all that?
Here. How about this? Did I do it correctly? See, I don't remember. 3 power of 4, yeah. Yeah, 3 power of 4 is your given number. Is there a way I can, oh my God, I did not put all this. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Abhi. Go ahead.
So I think it's, so first you start from the top block and then you go to 1 and then 3 to the power of 2 and then back to the 3.
Good job. So that gets you to 3 times 1 times 3 square times 3. So considering there are 1, go ahead.
Which is 3 to the power of 4.
4 times 1 is 3 power of 4. This is how you do the pyramid descent puzzle. Now, Yuvati asked me for each of you to do one, correct? So if you're not going to get it, okay, let me do 4 by 4, okay? Quick we can do, but we have to do. Let's see.
Yay.
Let's see. It's going to take a while, right? That's okay. But you all want, that's fine. 1, 5, 5. And then the last one, 5, 1, 5, 1. Okay, guys. You're going to choose a different color. Who is going to take up this? Neil, who's going to take up this? I really want Akshara. Take up this. Your given number is 5 power of 4. Okay. The next one is 16, 1, 1. 16, 1, 16. 1, 16, 1, 1. I hope I don't make mistakes in giving you so quickly. Let's see.
Oh my
Your
God.
given number is
A lot of
16
ones.
cube. Okay. Okay, who's going to take this? Can I request Vihan to take this? Okay. Now I'm going to give you one more. 2, 2 cube 1, 1, 2, 2 cube, and then 1, 2 cube, 2 square, 1. Yuvati, you can take this, ma. Your given number is, I did not give you your given number, right, ma? Your given number is 2 power of 5. Okay. Now let's see this one. Okay. Abhi, I didn't give you one, right? Okay. Abhi and Neil, you can take up this. Let's see. How about this? 17, 1, 1, 1, 17 square 17, 17, 1, 17, 1, and then 17 square, 17, 1, 17 square, 1. Let's see. You know what? This is a square, okay? Now the last one. Abhi, thank you, Abhi, for helping me. I really appreciate it. This is going to be taken by Abhiram. Okay. Yuvati got it, huh?
No, I didn't get it yet. I'm trying different
Oh, you're
ways.
trying, okay. Did Vihan get it? Oh, wow. Vihan, you understood. You got the hang of the puzzle, right, Vihan?
Miss Priya,
Yeah. Vihan, did you understand?
our number.
Vihan, that was a question.
Yeah, I understood.
You understood.
Can you
Okay.
draw my puzzle? Because
Yeah,
that's
I'm going to, I'm going to. Please, I'll give you
Miss
everybody's
Priya,
turn. Yeah, I'll give you 100%. I'll give you. Wait. You just need to be helpful to me. Okay, how about, okay, Akshara is doing it, Yuvati is trying it, Abhiram is working on it. Okay, let's try out this. Okay, you can take this up, Neil. Since you're asking and asking and asking, you can take this up. Arnav, I'll give it to you. Arnav, Ruthu, I'll give it to you.
Miss Priya.
Yeah. Lakshani, I know you're asking. Wait. Thanks, Neil, for helping. Go ahead. Okay, you got it, Akshara? Good job, ma. Akshara, I think you got it. Akshara, you got it. Oh, I'm sorry. Can I go ahead and delete yours, Akshara?
I don't have
You're
a
playing on the board, Samhit. I
pencil.
don't like it. Please, if you're going to stop, if you're going to do this, I'm going to stop for everybody. Somebody plays on the board, I'm going to stop for everybody. That's not the intent at all. I want each of you to enjoy the class. Do each one alone as well.
Miss Priya, you didn't give me a number.
I'll give. Oh, I didn't give you a number. I'm sorry, Abhiram. 17 power 5, Abhiram. Okay, for
What's
me,
my number?
5 power of 6.
Oh, 5 power of 6.
Yep.
Got it.
Okay, now let's see. Okay, no, this is too, I want again, hey, Ritu, you can do this, ma.
You help me with mine.
Yeah, you don't need help. You need help, Ritu?
Yeah.
I don't think you need help. Think about it. You're going to make numbers. Whatever number up there, you have to make it by descending down the puzzle. Descending down the pyramid. 2 power of 5 you have to make, Ritu.
Miss Priya.
Yes. Neil, you got it, Neil? Neil, I think you got it. Can I erase yours? Neil, can I erase yours?
Miss Priya, this thing is supposed to be a 4. It just
Abhiram,
turned out like a
Abhiram,
smudge.
17. What did you do? Abhiram, not really, right, Abhiram? Abhiram, yours is fetching 17 power 6. Did you see that? Yours is not right, Abhiram. Yuvati, did you finish?
No, I did not.
Okay. Ritu, you need help, Ritu? Then can Akshara take this? Akshara, I gave you one, right, Akshara?
No.
Okay. Go ahead and take this one.
Uh,
Akshara and Ritu, you can
Yeah, I
help.
need a little help.
Yeah, Ritu and Akshara can do it together then. Yeah. Neil, did you get it?
Yeah, I think mine was right.
Where? I want to see. Which path was it?
The 5? It
Yeah.
started from the top 5 to the 5 on the left below.
Yes,
to
you
the-
got it, Amma. You got
the
it, Amma.
middle
Can I-
5.
Yes.
I like that.
Can I erase yours? Abhi, now you
Yes.
Oh wow. I think Abhi, you made it. One.
Miss Priya, I didn't get mine yet.
Yeah. I'll not forget, Ma Meera. 1 minute. You can tell me as well, even if I'll not forget, even if I forget, you can tell me. Abhiram, I'm checking yours.
You didn't give me one.
wait, Miss Priya, does it have to go all the way down, or
Yeah,
does it have to? Can it be like this?
it has to touch. Touching
Oh.
squares only can interact with each other. Abhiram, in your case, Abhiram, I think you got a hang of the puzzle. But you know what, Abhiram? 1 is not touching the 17, right, Abhiram? 1 is not touching that 17, Abhiram, but I think you got a hang of the puzzle. So I can give it off, I feel. The way it's drawn as well as a problem, I feel. Abhiram, I'm going to erase yours. Yeah, this 1 is not touching it, Amma. Abhiram, this 1 is not touching the 17 square, right, Abhiram? Meaning, it's like this. You got it? You want to redo? Akshara and Ritu, what happened? Okay. Neva. Yama?
I want to do another of those puzzles.
Huh?
Those puzzles seem fun.
Yeah. There's a lot for you to do at home.
I know, because of the max homework.
Yes. Okay, how about this?
Yeah.
How about this, Meera? I want you to try this one. Abhiram, that doesn't get you 17 power 5. Abhiram, how about this, Abhiram? 1, 2, 3. That's so hard. 1, 2, 3. Did I give it to you correctly? Looks like I've given it to you correctly.
Miss Priya, I got it.
Can I go in another way? 1.
Priya, I
two.
aren't that one.
Huh?
I aren't that one.
Okay, 1 minute, Ma. Meera, you did it, Meera?
No, what's my number?
Oh, your number is 16 power. 16 power 3, ma.
Miss Priya.
Abhiram, did you
Priya.
understand the
But
blue
the
color?
one, the 17 aren't touching.
Which one 17 are touching, ma? This one 17 times 1 times 17 times 17 times 17 square gets you 17 power 5, Abhiram.
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
this one is kind of confusing.
For you, Yuvati, I'm going to help you, Yuvati. Let's try this one. 3, 4. You have only 4. No. Okay, how about this? 2. See, 1, 2, second 2, and then there are. See, this covers it all, Yuvati.
But
Yes, Ritu and Akshara, you made it. Yuvati, did you understand? Good job, Akshara,
Yeah.
writing that down. Aviram, did you understand? Meera, yours is right, ma'am. Abhiram, did you understand? Okay, now Lakshanya didn't do, right? Okay, quick guys. I really want you guys to do. Everybody have a turn and then we'll move. Okay, how about this? 5, 5, 1, 1, 5, 5, 5, 1, 5, 1. Lakshanya, can you go ahead and do for 5 power of 4, ma? Lakshanya, can you go ahead and do 5 power of 4, ma? Who did not get a turn yet?
Me.
Who, ma?
Me.
Arnav did not get it and Nevan did not get it, right? Okay. 6, 1, 6, 6, 6, 1, and then 1, 6, 6, 6. See, some small puzzles did have a hard route as well. Can you finish this for me? This is 6 power of 2. Okay. Who's going to take this? I want to know. Lakshanya, good job, ma.
I'll take it.
I'll take it.
Yeah, Lakshanya, you
I'll
got
take
it,
it.
Lakshanya. Good job. I think you
I'll
understood
take it.
Can I have another one?
Another one, no another one.
Can I
Please,
have another one?
You can do it in the homework, okay? Now, who did not get it at all? Nevan, did you get it?
No.
Okay. See, Nevan is so quiet. Good job, Nevan. Okay, how about this? This was a difficult one. Let's see. There was one group, both the groups suffered. Let's see. 1, 2, 2 cube, 1, 2 cube, 2 square, 1. Nevan, you're going to do this. You're going to complete for what number?
Wait, I think I know it, but I don't have a pencil, but I think I know it.
You don't need a pencil and all. Wait, 2 power of 5.
I know what it is.
Nevan, can you do that for me?
It's
Yeah.
161.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, did you do, whose turn was it on that? Nevan, I wrote it down. Whose turn was this?
Me.
Yeah, Arna, where is it?
I don't have any drawing tools, but I know what it is.
You can tell me. You don't need any drawing.
It says 6 on the top.
Uh-huh.
The 1 on the left.
Uh-huh.
The 6 on the left.
Uh-huh.
And the 1 on the left.
Oh, good job. That's right. Nice. Okay, that's nice. Okay, guys, you're not going to play on the board. Nevan, did you finish 2 power of 5? Oh, good job. Nevan got it. Okay. Now, guys, just hold on, guys. Okay. Now, how about this? N is equal to 4. Okay, let's finish this and then I'll let you go. N is equal to 4. Okay. Can you compute this one for me? You're going to plug it in. You're going to plug it in. You're going to plug these values. N is equal to 4 is given. So what do I do? Wherever I see N, I'm going to put 4 to it.
By the way, can you fix that? Oh, never.
Did I make an error?
Yeah, you made that error in like that the exponent in.
I'm sorry. Is it clean now?
Yeah, it's already clean when I was going to say it.
Okay, go ahead and do. You are going to do and send the answers to me in chat. Yeah, I hope I did not leave anybody when I gave the questions. Okay, good. If I leave, you have to shout out, Auntie, you left me. Usually I don't, but yeah, by mistake, if I leave, you have to let me know. Go ahead. N is equal to 4. How are we going to do this? Who can help me? If I plug in N is equal to 4, what happens? Yes, Meera, you want to say, or Akshara, you want to say, go ahead. Nevan is raising the hand. Okay, go ahead.
Let's do 1 to the power 4. 1 plus 4 because n equals 4,
Uh-huh.
which is 5,
Uh-huh.
power of 3.
And then what? N power of n is what?
4 to the power of 4.
Good job. Next, what do you do?
4 to the power of 3 times 4 to the power of 4.
Okay, that is great, wonderful. And after that, what are we going to do? Anybody else? Nevan, what do we do next? Or Abhiram, what do we do next? Ritu, you can say as well. You can do any more puzzles, Neil, in the homework. Okay.
Can I say it?
Yeah, say it. Why not?
So first you find out the value of 5 to the power of 3, which is...
I don't want you to do that. Mira. I don't want you to find out 125 and all. I want you to simplify it more. What is the better way of simplifying? Think about it. Think about it.
You could do 5 times 4 in parentheses to...
Can I make it a 2, please? I only want 5 and 2. 5 and 2 are my best friends. I don't want a 4. 4 is my friend still, but I don't want a 4. I want a 2. I'm more inclined towards a 2. How do you express 4 power of 4 as 2 power of? What is 4 power of 4 as power of 2? See, 4 is written as 2 times 2 power 4. Right? The 4 is applied to 2 power of 4 times 2 power of 4. So what it is? 2 power of?
8.
8. 5 cube times 2 power of 8. Now it's easy, right? So
Yeah.
isolate 5 cube and 2 cube. What you're left with? 2 power of 5. What is 2 power of 5, Samhit or Nevan? What is 2 power of 5? Bihan, I want you to answer last.
Cheryl?
What is 2 power of 5?
Yeah, Cheryl.
Yeah, shout out. What is 2 power of 5? Nevan.
25. Oh.
Nevan, what is 2 power of 5?
Can I say it?
1 minute, ma. What is 2 power of 5, Nevan? Okay, go ahead, Meera.
32.
32. Why? 2 power of 5 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 2 power of 5. Make sense?
Yeah.
Now let's go ahead. Vihan, can you complete it? What is 5 cube times 2 cube, Vihan? Vihan, you can unmute and talk, ma. What is 5 cube times 2 cube?
5 cube times 2 cube is...
Can you hear?
You can merge these two. 5 and 2 are friends, right?
My class study.
What is 10 cube? 5 cube times 2 cube. Go ahead. Do you need help?
Yeah.
You can take out the cube and put it out of the parenthesis and put 5 times 2, right? Now what happens?
You multiply 5 times 2, then that's 10, and then you do 10.
What is
10
10
to the 10 to the power of 3, which is 1000.
Times 32 is what?
1000 times 32 is 32,000.
Good job, guys. That's the way to do. Okay. Now
Hey, sorry to disturb. Priya, this is Anil Avika's father. Is this the right class, 5th grade?
Yeah. You are in the right class. Just hold on. We have not started the class. I just invited you in because you were waiting. So please hold.
Okay. All right.
Yeah. Okay, guys. I'll stop here. But for the homework, it's going to be on all of this, whatever we did now, from page number 80 to 87. From page number 80 to 87. Okay. Now, next week, we'll cover 2 and 10 bases. Page number 80 to 87. We'll do that. We'll do it slowly because exponents are a little difficult as we move on. 80 to 87 in the book. Okay, and there's a game kit on mental math. Mental math, Vihan, is going to be a little tough on you because you were not there when we discussed strategies. We'll discuss more strategies next week. For now, do whatever you know. The intent of the GIM kit is you're not going to use any paper or pencil when you're doing the GIM kit. Okay, I will be noting down how many minutes you are taking. Each of you are taking how many minutes. I will note down and share the report with your parents. Okay, the lesser the number of minutes, the better it is. So it is all focused on mental math. Okay, you have to be a little quick as well. So that is the intent. Don't take too long. Don't use paper and pencil. Make sense? Okay, guys, I'll stop here, let you go, and I'll ask you next week. Okay, but please do the homework, submit it on time. Okay, then only you can follow the class. Bye bye. Thank you for the heart.
Did you see my message?
No, ma, not yet, man. Sorry.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. I'm seeing it now. Oh, Yuvati, thank you. Bye. I saw your message. Bye, ma. Neil, what's up?
By the way, thank you just for telling me making the puzzles fun.
Oh, nice. You liked it?
Yeah.
Why don't you do more of those in the book?
Yeah, I'll do them in the book probably today.
That's good. Definitely do it today.
Okay.
Yeah, but I'm not getting your homework. I know that your mom is busy, but let's see. I have to work out something with her. But I'm okay as long as you answer questions in class. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Hi, guys. 1 minute, guys. Let me stop the.
Oh, on the fifth grade homework, there was one with like a